What's up, guys and girls? We're looking at savage used cars, man. These are mechanic specials.
Oh boy, what's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? You gonna get me with some Slim Shady lyrics? Oh boy, you think you're real funny, don't you? Boy, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you today.
What's up, everybody? Back at you today with a savage used car. Man, y'all excited? Y'all excited as me about selling some old mechanic special used cars? I hope you are. Well, anyways, let's tell you what this one is today on the list. It's right here behind me. It's a Volkswagen. A Volkswagen. Yeah. Oh. Well, hold on. Oh boy, 2006 Volkswagen Passat for $965. I don't know where they came up with the 65 bucks at. I would have just said $900 even, but I'm not the owner. So, doesn't matter what I say. I just spread the message of joy and happiness about this Mazda or Volkswagen Passat. All right, let's take a look at it with no further ado. Let's see what the deal is with it. I got the key. We're going to get right inside and see what you can do with this car for 965 bucks. So there it is, the Volkswagen Passat. You know, some of y'all might have owned one like this back in the day, and you may be thinking to yourself, man, I'd love to have another Volkswagen Passat, that body style. Well, they are getting a little more rare to find, but you just found one today. It's kind of like one of them Copart cars. You know, you see those Copart videos on YouTube of these guys rummaging through all these beat-up old cars at the Copart auction. Well, this one's not a Copart auction car. This is a good old used car Ravenel auction car. All right, and this is what we're doing. We're going to pass the savings on to you for $965. Well, you definitely need to get these headlights cleaned up a little bit, but the main part of the video today is make sure the body and the interior is in somewhat decent shape. As you hear me say on other videos like this, hey, if you're going to buy it for cheap and fix the motor on it, well, you better make sure the body and interior is in decent shape so you don't got to dump more money into that. Because it's not a classic car. It's just a basic A to B transportation type vehicle. Alloy wheels look like they got eaten up by the curb one too many times. You got tires with tons of tread. Okay, I'm not warrantying anything on these cars, though. I mean, obviously, these coils or plugs or whatever that thing is are gone bad, and the motor is gone in this car, okay? Gonna need a motor. Got a sunroof, though. Got tinted windows, though. And it's a big, roomy car, the Volkswagen Passat. Let's keep moving right on along here. Let's see what's going on the other side of it. Okay, come on. Follow me. Well, we're going to need two windows over here and somebody to clean up things because the window is cracked. Good, thank God for window tint, though, right? But, yeah, that has happened. And somebody better put some something over this window so it does not get all the nice, nasty weathering inside the car and make it start stinking, you know? So that's one thing to think about. But you get your two windows, a motor. Here's the interior. There's your door panel. There's your leather or leatherette seats that Volkswagen put on them back in the day. Pretty big seat there, you know? There's that, and that, and that. And okay, it definitely already has the smell of been sitting outside for too long. But there's them back seats right there. Again, $965. I mean, what more do you want to... What more do you want for it, you know? 965 bucks. Buy you a Volkswagen Passat with the 2.0 liter turbo. Okay, 2.0 turbo. But the body of the vehicle is in really pretty decent shape, but God have mercy, someone tore up every single wheel on the car. I mean, that's insane. I mean, how would you mess up every single wheel? Man, good gracious. The drivers here in South Carolina are absolutely horrible. That's a great way to tell. All right, everybody, let me know if you're interested. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that down like button if you don't like the car. And just let me know what you think. If you want to buy it, I don't care where you live at. Just make sure you can get it towed out of here. If you need someone to tow it, I got somebody to do it. So either way, we can help you get this car on out of here. Thank you so much.
I made a video. And oh boy. Yeah, I think everybody seems